Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this iZeeker IG500 4G trail camera. So guys, this item was gifted to me to do this video, and you know me, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to unbox it, set it up, put it in the field, test it out, and come back and show you the real life results of how it performed. Alright guys, so let's get this out of the box, see what it looks like, and get this baby set up. Alright. So we got here a little template. We got a 30-day SIM card from the EOT Club and our user manual. This is solar powered, so it's got a little solar panel that comes with it. A 32 gigabyte micro SD card. And we got some cables. This is our solar panel mounting base here. More mounting hardware here, and the camera itself. Let's get the camera out here. Alright, so it's a PTZ camera, which means that it patrols. You can remotely operate it and change it around there. Got a little bit of wind going on here, so I apologize for that. Alright, so it's pretty easy to install. You just mount this base wherever you want it, and then the camera just clips right onto it like that. And you've got a couple of screws we can put in here to secure it down. Under here we have where our solar panel will plug in right underneath here. We can get that little door out. SD card goes here in this little compartment right here. Our SD card and our SIM go right down in here, and that's where our power and reset options are. Very simple, guys. So let me go ahead and get this thing set up right here and get it ready to go before we put it out in the field. Alright, so let's go ahead and put our SD card in here. Alright, so let's break our SIM card out here now. Alright, let's put our SIM card in. Now, in order to set this up, we're going to need to install the U-Box app. So we'll go ahead and install that. Okay, once you have the U-Box app loaded. Okay, so once you've installed the U-Box app, you'll have to create a login. And then you will be brought to this screen right here, Add Device. So let's go ahead and turn this on. We're going to press the button over on this side right here and press and hold that. Okay, till you get that power right there. You're going to see a little tiny red blinking light right there, and what that is it's searching for the towers and registering the SIM card. Once that turns solid blue, then we'll be ready to proceed. Okay, so we see that the little light is solid blue. Now we're ready to go. We're going to set up 4G device. Right there says blue light is solid. Go to next. And right inside the base down here is a little QR code that we're going to scan. I have to open the door on my camera and we'll scan that QR code. Alright, and now it's loading up. You can name your device or the location however you want. I'm just going to go with the default options. And the camera is now set up. And let's see if we can get some video here. Okay, of course the camera is upside down right now, so if I turn it like that it'll look better. Okay, and there we go. I mean, looks pretty clear on my screen right here. Alright, let's try to control the camera. There we go. Stop rocking. Rocking around the Christmas tree. There we go. Everything working really good. You can see my yard there upside down. All right, so we're all good. We're all set up. Pretty easy setup process. Just install the SIM card, SD card, turn it on, wait till it turns blue, and then walk through the setup process. Was drop dead easy. All right, guys. So, guys, now I'm going to go install this in the field for a couple of weeks and get some wildlife footage for you. So let's go do that. All right, guys, so I've had this camera out in the field for a few weeks now, and let me just go ahead and show you some footage from the testing period so you can see that. All right, guys, so you've seen that footage there. The camera did what it was supposed to do. The sensitivity was pretty high when I originally set it out. I set it to high. It was picking up birds and squirrels and things like that. So I lowered it down to the low setting, and then it was just picking up larger animals like deer and things like that. So it does have a very good sensitivity. On high, it did get some false positives. So if in an environment like this where there's tree movement and stuff like that, you probably want to keep it on that low setting. You know, especially if there's anything that's going to move around it, because it is very sensitive. The solar panel kept it charged, didn't have no problem accessing it with the app. The app worked good. I was on the road for most of the testing period, out of town, and I was able to, I got notifications of when things were moving, and I was able to, you know, check the videos and all that stuff. That all worked flawlessly. I didn't have any trouble with it at all. You've seen the videos for yourself. Like most 4G trail cameras, the videos are never going to be like super high quality, simply because of data conservation. They compress them down so that it doesn't take up a lot of data, because a high quality video, you know, like what I'm filming with right now on my camera, is going to be you know, enough to just wipe out an entire month of data in one minute. So they do compress the videos quite a bit, and that's standard for all 4G cameras, just to minimize data use. But I had no problem with the camera functioning or anything like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please hit that thumbs up underneath the video to let me know this video helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.